Hi, it's Paulie Temez with Hill Country Council for the Arts. We are offering a new class called Abstract Expressionism. And in this class, I'm going to teach you about what abstract expressionism is and where it came from, but also I'd like to show you what my process is and talk to you about what helped me make the transition from a traditional landscape artist into an abstract expressionist. The process is simple. It's straightforward. There are no mistakes. You create your own masterpiece. We supply the instruction, all of the materials, the canvas, the brushes, the paints, everything that you need to create your own masterpiece. Come on out Saturday, October the 19th from 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. That's going to be at the Agricultural Center out at the City Park. Again, Saturday the 19th of October at 10:30. You can register by going to the Hill Country Council for the Arts website, HCCARTS.org. That's HCCArts.org. The cost is $85 if you're a non-member, $75 if you're a member. Come on out. We would love to see you there.